Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into QQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 24th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since February 24th, 2025, our system has ranked QQQ as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.24. Now let's examine the exchange-traded fund's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a slight upward trend in the short term, with indications of further upward movement. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 2.44% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 0.702% to 8.01%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month forecast indicates a projected change of 23.27%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 16.31% and 28.22% over the next year. In today's terms, this would suggest a future price between $604.68 and $666.59. Our latest daily update for the QQQ involves the headline, Evaluation of QQQ ETF downgraded after the last trading session. The QQQ ETF price decreased by 1.19% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 24th of February, 2025, falling from $526.12 to $519.87. This marks a decline for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading session, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 1.84%, ranging from a low of $519.55 to a high of $529.14. While the price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days, it still reflects a decline of 0.53% over this period. Notably, the trading volume decreased alongside the ETF price, which is generally considered a positive indicator, as volume typically should align with the ETF's performance. On the last day, trading volume dropped by 9 million shares, with a total of 38 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $19.820 billion. In the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $540.80, while the lowest price was $413.07. Currently, the price stands 3.87%, or $20.93, below the 52-week high of $540.80, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments surrounding the Invesco QQQ Trust, which tracks the NASDAQ 100, highlight its performance amidst a shifting market landscape. As of the 24th of February, 2025, QQQ has shown resilience, bouncing back from significant dips last year, and is regarded as a key player against Cathie Wood's RK exchange-traded fund. While RK has seen recent gains, the focus remains on QQQ's dominance in technology-heavy exposure, particularly as investors seek long-term growth driven by artificial intelligence and technology trends. However, there's a noticeable market rotation toward dividend-paying stocks, which impacts QQQ's attractiveness in the short term, especially as alternative dividend exchange-traded funds outperform the so-called Magnificent Seven. Notably, economic indicators such as housing starts and employment trends will play a crucial role in shaping market sentiment around QQQ. This diversification appeal, particularly toward artificial intelligence-related stocks, suggests that while QQQ faces short-term challenges, its long-term prospects remain strong as a growth investment. Investors should stay alert to how these factors influence performance, as macroeconomic data can shift investment strategies and ultimately affect QQQ's stock price. The sentiment surrounding the exchange-traded fund remains bullish, particularly for those betting on technology recovery and innovation-led growth in the years ahead. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. the QQQ ETF is showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook for the ETF. On any upward corrections, there will be resistance from the levels at $533.73 and $523.34. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. On Wednesday, February 19, 2025, a sell signal was generated from a pivot top point, and since then, the price has decreased by 3.64%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is an active sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. During the last trading day, volume declined alongside the price, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 15 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 114 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $518.66. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this ETF is considered very low. Over the past day, the ETF experienced a movement of $9.59 between its high and low, which is approximately 1.84%. In the past week, it has shown a daily average volatility of 1.41%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may suggest either a lack of future expectations for the company or that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued. This could indicate a possible buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $521.74. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could serve as a suitable point for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, QQQ faces its first support level at $518.66. Should this support level hold, it might represent an opportune entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. We have a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been established. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? The QQQ ETF shows several negative indicators, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that QQQ will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have revised our assessment of this ETF to a negative outlook. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have downgraded our recommendation for this ETF from a hold accumulate to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 25th of February, we expect QQQ to open up $2.98 and commence trading at $522.85. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from everyone here at StockInvest.